EDC Gear Box exchange. Alright guys, so if you're not familiar with this, this is the EDC Gear Box exchange. Just like a lot of the other gearboxes where there's a list of guys and it goes around.
And basically, you go through it, you don't show what's inside of it, you pull out a few items, and then you replace those items with an equivalent value.
Marvin 4 over at Great American Survival is the one that initiated this box. It's going around the country. I'll put like a little card right there to the playlist of all the guys who have had it prior to me. I did just receive it from
Josh at Frogtac Gear Sanctuary, and I'm trying to preserve this box because that was one of the things they asked if keep the box intact. Alright. Oh man, you can tell it's got some wear. Barely holding together. That's a lot of tape. Alright guys, here it is. I can't show you what's inside. Let me dive in, take a little peek, read the notes, and I'll get right back to it.
Alright guys, holy crap man, I think my beard got a little bit longer. This box is the most fruitful of every EDC or exchange box I've ever seen. Incredible about the amount of stuff that's packed in there. Yep, took one of your stickers, Marv. Thank you very much. I also take one for the team, falling on a grenade. It's a patch, definitely needed that. Pretty sure this is from the box's predecessor, Josh from Frogtac Sanctuary, and this is one of his EDC pocket notebooks with this little 500D case, and this of course looks like it'll hold pencils here, or a pen. So great for a little field journal. Sometimes you brainstorm out there and you have great ideas, and then by the time you get home you forget what you were thinking of. Got a cool lanyard, that way if it's down in my pack I can just pull it out. So I appreciate that, and by the color scheme I can tell that that's from Josh, so thank you. And speaking of another Viking brother,
the last item I took out of there was this beauty. It's a Gonzo. I'm not quite sure because I don't have my glasses. G704440C. So this knife looks a lot like the knife that I got from Rick at Tac-Hill in the Secret Santa giveaway gearbox exchange. However, I did get my original one taken away from me at the casino. Yep, like a tool. I had it on me, and you know what happens with EDC, you totally forget. And I was going to a show at the casino, and of course they warned you on the way in, and totally didn't realize I had the knife on me. And of course it's got a clip, you can see. And they confiscated it and took it away from me.
So I apologize, Rick from Tac-Hill, that I forfeited that knife. However, I'm replacing it with this one because I liked it so much. So I got this Gonzo knife, this patch and this sticker, and this EDC notebook is what I'm taking out.
I'm gonna button it up, and I'm gonna send it out to the next guy. I'm gonna do some box repairs on it. I'm gonna slap my sticker on it somewhere here, and keep this train rolling. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. I want to thank you guys for being so patient with me.